the day after I went to the Edinburgh Christmas markets. It snowed yesterday and it was freaking amazing. It hadn't snowed properly in at least a whole year. In New Jersey at least, there was like literally no snow at all last year, so I was literally like, I have to stay up to watch the snow because this could be the one time the entire year that it actually snows. Come on, come on. And it's actually December. I feel like nowadays it only snows what, in like January, February, March, but it's like Christmas time and it snowed. So I stayed up all night until close to 5 in the morning and I started watching Little Women. I didn't finish it, so I've been watching it this morning as I've been getting ready. Yesterday I was also eating a bunch of cookies and mince pies, and I made 2 cups of hot cocoa. I just love the snow. It just makes everything so much more magical, but I feel like it doesn't snow enough. Fingers crossed it snows again in either Glasgow or when I'm back home in New Jersey. Today I'm going to a Secret Santa. I have to go food shopping first though, and then get like a gift bag to put the actual gifts in because you'll know I didn't do that yet and I have to leave in like 30 minutes, but it's fine. For now, I'm gonna wait till my hair dries, go to Tesco, and then head out. Guys, look how aesthetic. We made them! We made it! It's freezing!
See that as the look I traveled the whole way with you. I literally
I know.
right there.
Oh, it's so snowy. Oh my god, hi. Oh my god. That's crazy. Are we there taking a picture of us vlog? How good. Midnight. I just came back from Secret Santa and it was so much fun. Honestly, like Anna's house was so homey and like all the Christmas decorations and the snow outside. Oh, I didn't realize how much I was craving that. Let me give you a little haul though. So first we got this Lannister pillow from Game of Thrones. How amazing. Oh, mind the fact that like this Secret Santa limit was 10 pounds. Reading lamp. This is the greatest invention. How amazing is this? I've been meaning to get one of these for the longest time. I have this really cute board and it came with a bunch of stickers. Here's one of them. Then finally got these amazing, beautiful earrings. Also, I love dangly earrings. I'm obsessed with them. I wear them like all the time if you haven't noticed by this point. Maybe I'll vlog tomorrow, maybe not. Maybe I'll vlog a more interesting day. Tomorrow's gonna be really boring. Probably just finish Little Women and then end off the night. Vlog. The last time I vlogged, which was Secret Santa, was actually more than a week ago because like for the past week and a half I've just been doing like essays and exams. Like exam season is killing me. Like I don't even have that many exams. I have like 3 classes here, but like I stayed up till like 7 in the morning 2 days ago like finishing an essay. So yeah, that's how it be at the moment. I have one final which is on Friday and I'm gonna have to take it while on the plane. So I thought I'd just do a quick little end of semester vlog. Today I'm just gonna go grocery shopping and then study for my exam, and then me and my friends booked another class at the gym. Let me tell you the name. It's a yoga class. So we're taking a vinyasa yoga class, which is an innovative, energetic, creative technique to cultivate inner strength and outer flexibility. Like that sounds fun. That sounds fun. And I've never actually taken a yoga class before. And then Friday's gonna be freaking stressful because I gotta go to London, then I gotta get to New York, and then all at the same time finish my final. Also guys, do we like my shirt? Gentileschi. I actually recreated this painting when I first started oil painting. Anyway, let's go to Tesco. Je vais écouter un coffee break French parce que j'ai besoin de pratiquer le français. Anyway, on y va! It is fine dining. Yesterday, I honestly didn't really vlog that much. Yeah, I don't think I'll be doing anything interesting again today, so I'm just gonna be studying. So if you want to feel productive, I got you. Anyway. It's currently 8 in the morning and it looks like it's about 5 in the morning because the sun doesn't come out until 9 a.m. now, or like 8:40, which is like ugh, and then it goes down at like 10 to 4, which is crazy. So it's officially also my last day that I'm gonna be in Glasgow before I go back home. Yeah, so today I gotta do some more studying because yesterday I kind of just like I stopped being productive after a certain hour. That's why I wanted to like get up fairly early. Like I woke up what, like an hour ago. Gotta be a little bit productive today. Gotta finish studying. Me and my friend also might do Broadway Boogie. Surprise. And then I want to do some like thrifting, maybe like find some last minute Christmas presents because I can't afford to buy gifts, guys. Yesterday I was like, I'm gonna pack, and then I was like, it's still far away. It's literally tomorrow. I don't know why I'm delusional. I don't know who made me this delusional, but I gotta pack. I want to do my laundry. I want to get it all done. So today's gonna be very productive and hopefully a little bit more interesting than yesterday. So yeah, thank you for joining me today. Guys, so it's currently 12 and I already did like most of my packing, surprisingly. Finished all my studying. I did a mini workout and now I'm on my way. Oh, I also cooked, obviously. Filmed that. Now I'm about to leave for Broadway Boogie. Being so productive today. Go me. Go me. And then I'm probably gonna go thrifting. So yeah. Sitting in the botanic gardens. It's pretty chill. I also had a very fairly successful little thrifting run. Got some books for people. Now I'm kind of upset that I didn't bring my own book. Just like chill and read, but it's fine. Also, like, this is like the most empty I've ever seen the botanic gardens. So that's why I'm actually like vlogging in public. And it's 4 p.m. almost, which means the sun's going down. Yeah. So I actually took a 3-hour nap. It was honestly really nice. I don't know why, I just got really tired for some reason and was like literally falling asleep at like the kitchen counter. That's that. And I was trying to wake up like an hour later, but that didn't happen. So now it's like 11 and I have a bunch of energy. But anyway, I'm pretty much done packing. I took a shower and now I'm going to make myself some mince pies. Look how cute this is. And all that smoke is coming from the kettle because I'm gonna make myself hot chocolate. I just gotta get rid of stuff, you know, like gotta get rid of certain foods, and that's why I have just been like cooking like the whole entire day. I can't believe I'm going home tomorrow. That's crazy. I'm not gonna be back here until like another 3 weeks. That's crazy. I'm just thinking out loud. But anyway, yeah.